The event that we held in Grand Rapids served a number of important purposes. What we've created is a world-class training facility like no other. It features some of the most innovative equipment you can get, as well as a beautiful classroom space where technicians can go in and take part and learn what it is that they have to do on a job site before they get to the job site. The Mann Lab was a really sentimental moment for everyone. It's named after the late Kirk Mann, who was a long-serving member of Dematic and a huge proponent for the partnership that exists with IMI. One of the things that Kirk stood for was education and training, and it was thanks to Kirk that we've been able to build this world-class facility. So it made perfect sense for us to name it after him. So moving forward, we're able to continue on Kirk's legacy thanks to our new innovative facility. The event itself was also a way for us to demonstrate our appreciation for Dematic, our longest serving partner and client. We were able to go over to the Dematic main office and sort of engage with some of the individuals that we work with on a day-to-day basis in a way that we haven't really been able to do before, and sort of understand who they are, what they're about, and whether or not what we do as a company is in line with what they do as a company. The amazing thing about this event was the collaborative effort that went into it. We were able to get individuals from across North America to come together and build something really memorable and important, I think. And it goes to show that the culture here at IMI has really sort of gotten to a place where people are happy to do this sort of work in a really tight timeline. And it was a testament to the work that went into it, the all hands on deck situation that we were able to create, and the environment that we were able to produce. It's also thanks to some of the partners that we've been able to establish over the years. We all came together and everyone sort of specialized in their specific area, and we were able to literally build from the ground up the facility that's there today.